4 रोज से लापता।
कौमी असेंबली का इजलास इस वक्त जारी है, आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे।
Item number 7, Senator Azam Nazeer Tarar, Minister for Law and Justice, to move item number 7.
Sir, I move that the bill further to amend the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, the Code of Civil Procedure Amendment Bill 2023, as reported by Standing Committee, be taken into consideration at once.
Now I put the motion to the House. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the motion is adopted. Clause by clause reading. Clause 2 to 16. The question is that clauses 2 to 16 do stand part of the bill. 16. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently clauses 2 to 16 stand part of the bill. Clause 1 preamble and short title. The question is that clause 1 preamble and short titled do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently clause 1 preamble and short titles stand part of the bill. Item number 8, Senator Azam Nazeer Tarar, Minister for Law and Justice, to move item number 8.
Sir, I move that the bill further to amend the Code of Civil Procedure
कौमी असेंबली इजलास एजेंडा मुअत्तल कर दिया गया है। इजलास इस वक्त जारी है, जिसमें बिलों की मंजूरी दी जा रही है।
बड़ी अदालत में बड़े केस की समाअत। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पंजाब के इलेक्शन के लिए स्टेट बैंक को 21 अरब के फंड